video. In today's video we will be continuing with the sums of the quadratic polynomials जो कि हम last video में करते आ रहे थे. And in today's video we will be seeing some sort of formulas how we can use the zeros, the sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros to find out the some sort of formulae. So let's have a look on the formula here and then we will be doing the sum on that. Let's have a look here. Alpha minus beta, where alpha and beta is nothing but the zeros of the polynomial. तो हमने लास्ट दो वीडियोस में देखा पहले कि अल्फा प्लस बीटा सम ऑफ जीरोस हम लोग क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन से निकाल सकते हैं एंड वी कैन टेक आउट द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द जीरोस. हाउ वी कैन टेक आउट the sum of zeros would be given as alpha plus beta is nothing but minus b upon a and alpha beta is given as c upon a. Fine. So this is the sum of the zeros and this is the product of the zeros. So आपको अगर यदि एक इक्वेशन दी है तो आप सम और प्रोडक्ट उसके जीरोस का निकाल सकते हैं जस्ट बाय नोइंग द कोएफिशिएंट्स ऑफ a, b and c. So that's what. अगर यदि हमारे पास सम है और प्रोडक्ट है तो हम लोग कौन कौन सी टर्म्स इधर निकाल सकते हैं. So alpha minus beta is nothing but it is given as under root of alpha plus beta square minus 4 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta आपको इधर से मिलेगा, alpha beta आपको इधर से मिलेगा. ये सब्स्टिट्यूट करके आप alpha minus beta निकाल सकते हैं. Again alpha square plus beta square can be given as alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. अगर आपके पास sum and product है, again this can be formulated. So these are the sum formulas for alpha square minus beta square. It is alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta. Now the rules play here कि alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta निकालने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? ये वाला फॉर्मूला लगाना पड़ेगा. If you go to this formula, so you again have alpha plus beta and alpha beta. क्योंकि आपको किसी इक्वेशन को देकर के ये पूछा जाएगा. सो इफ यू हैव एन इक्वेशन यू कैन टेक आउट द सम एंड यू कैन टेक आउट द प्रोडक्ट एज वेल. अल्फा क्यूब प्लस बीटा क्यूब कैन बी गिवन एज अल्फा प्लस बीटा का होल क्यूब माइनस 3 अल्फा बीटा इनटू अल्फा प्लस बीटा. इफ यू एक्सपैंड दिस यू विल गेट दिस. ए प्लस बी का होल क्यूब आइडेंटिटी लगाएंगे इधर और इसको एक्सपैंड करेंगे पूरे ये दोनों ब्रैकेट्स को तो आपको यही मिलेगा. अल्फा क्यूब माइनस बीटा क्यूब इज नथिंग बट अल्फा माइनस बीटा होल क्यूब प्लस 3 अल्फा बीटा into alpha minus beta. Again alpha minus beta will be from here. तो alpha minus beta जहाँ जहाँ आ रहा है वो उसके लिए आपको ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना पड़ेगा which is under root of alpha plus beta का whole square minus 4 alpha beta. So I hope these formulas must be clear and if you want the proof you can just expand them so you will get the LHS part of the proofs. So now we will be solving some few sums. How we can take out these terms by using just the zeros of the polynomial, of the given polynomial. Let's have a look on the question. Let's have a look on the question here. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, find the value of alpha minus beta, alpha square plus beta square, alpha square minus beta square. Let's have a look. This is the polynomial given to you. So what are the coefficients of A? What is A, B and C? Let us find out A. A is nothing but A is the coefficient of x square. B is nothing but the coefficient of x which is minus 1. C is nothing but the coefficient that is a constant that is minus 4 in this question. So if you have A, B and C, the job is done. What is the job? What we need to find out? We need to find out the sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros. Sum of the zeros is alpha plus beta that is minus b upon a. Minus we will keep like this minus 1 upon 1 will give you 1. Alpha into beta is nothing but c upon a. C is minus 4 upon 1 will give you minus 4. तो आपके पास क्या आ गया? आपके पास सम भी आ गया, आपके पास प्रोडक्ट भी आ गया. क्या फाइंड करना है? अल्फा माइनस बीटा. नीड टू हैव द फॉर्मूला हियर. Alpha minus beta is nothing but under root of alpha plus beta का whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Fine. So what we can do here? Just we need to substitute the thing. Alpha plus beta कितना आ रहा है? 1 आ रहा है. So 1 square minus 4 into alpha beta is nothing but minus 4. So you will get 1 minus minus will become plus 16. So alpha minus beta comes out to be under root of 17. So the answer for alpha minus beta is under root of 17. Similarly, we can take it out alpha square plus beta square. So alpha square plus beta square is nothing but alpha plus beta का whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Again, what we need to do is we need to just substitute the value. Alpha plus beta is nothing but 1 square minus 2 into alpha beta is minus 4. 1 minus minus will become plus 8 and the answer comes out to be 9. The answer comes out to for alpha square plus beta square as 9. Similarly, we can take out for alpha square minus beta square. What is there for alpha square minus beta square? Alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta. We have alpha plus beta as 1. We have alpha minus beta as root 17. तो इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? 1 into root 17 will give you root 17. So the answer for alpha square minus beta square for the given polynomial comes out to be root 17. अल्फा माइनस बीटा क्लियर है, अल्फा स्क्वायर माइनस अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर क्लियर. अगर यहीं पे आपको यदि अल्फा क्यूब प्लस बीटा क्यूब एंड अल्फा क्यूब माइनस बीटा क्यूब पूछा जाता तो वो भी इसी तरीके से हम लोग निकाल सकते. लेट्स सी दोस टू फॉर्मूलाज इन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Let's have a look on this question. Find alpha cube plus beta cube, alpha cube minus beta cube, 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta, alpha cube beta square plus beta cube alpha square for the given polynomial. The polynomial given to you is x square plus x minus 2. सबसे पहली चीज क्या निकालनी है? ABC. ABC निकाला, आधा गेम खत्म. So what is A? A is 1. B is the coefficient of x which is 1. C is nothing but constant which is minus 2. So what will be the sum of the zeros? Minus b upon a. So 1 minus 1 upon 1 will give you minus 1. And the product of the zeros is nothing but c upon a. C is minus 2 upon 1 is equals to minus 2. तो हमको सम मिल गया, हमको प्रोडक्ट मिल गया, हमको क्या निकालना है? अल्फा क्यूब प्लस बीटा क्यूब निकालना है. And the formula for alpha cube plus beta cube, we know that it is alpha plus beta का whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. So we have alpha plus beta with us and we have alpha beta also with us. Alpha plus beta is nothing but minus 1 का whole cube minus 3 into alpha beta की जगह पे substitute करेंगे minus 2 into alpha plus beta is again minus 1. So if we solve this, minus 1 का whole cube will give you minus 1. Minus will become plus, 3 into 2 will give you 6. So minus 1 minus 6 will answer comes out to be minus 7. So alpha cube plus beta cube is nothing but minus 7. Now what I have asked in the question is alpha cube minus beta cube. Alpha cube minus beta cube का फॉर्मूला होता है alpha minus beta का whole cube minus plus 3 alpha beta into alpha minus beta. तो इन शॉर्ट मेरे को ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना है, मुझे अल्फा माइनस बीटा निकालना पड़ेगा. एंड द फॉर्मूला फॉर अल्फा माइनस बीटा इज नथिंग बट अंडर रूट ऑफ अल्फा प्लस बीटा का होल स्क्वायर माइनस 4 अल्फा बीटा. इज आई एम हैविंग अल्फा प्लस बीटा एंड अल्फा बीटा? यस. सो आई कैन टेक आउट दिस. अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज नथिंग बट minus 1 square minus 4 into minus 2. So what you will get is minus 1 square will give you 1 plus minus become plus 4 into 2 8. So it is root 9 which is nothing but 3. So alpha minus beta कितना आ गया? Alpha minus beta comes out to be 3. If this is 3, now you can put this alpha minus beta over here and can check the answer for alpha cube minus beta cube. So alpha cube minus beta cube is equals to 3 का cube plus 3. What is alpha into beta? Alpha into beta is minus 2 and alpha minus beta is 3. So 3 cube is nothing but 27. Minus आ जाएगा. Plus and minus will give minus. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So 27 minus 18 will give you 9. So the answer for alpha cube minus beta cube comes out to be 9. Now what we need to find is 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta find करना है. क्या मैं इसका LCM ले लूँ? What will be the LCM? LCM would be alpha beta and you will get beta plus alpha. So you can write it like alpha plus beta upon alpha beta. You have alpha plus beta and alpha beta with you. What is alpha plus beta is minus 1 and alpha beta is minus 2. Minus minus will get cancelled out. The answer comes out to be 1 by 2. तो जो भी कुछ फॉर्म में दिया हुआ है वो सब कन्वर्ट होता है अल्फा प्लस बीटा एंड अल्फा बीटा के टर्म्स में. लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑन दिस क्वेश्चन. द फोर्थ वन, अल्फा क्यूब बीटा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा क्यूब अल्फा स्क्वायर. कैन यू टेक आउट अल्फा स्क्वायर एंड बीटा स्क्वायर कॉमन फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन? If you can take out alpha square and beta square common, what will be remaining is alpha cube में से 2 निकल गए तो 1 बचा. इधर से बीटा क्यूब में से 2 निकल गए तो 1 बचा. So you get alpha square beta square into alpha plus beta. Can you write like this? Alpha beta का whole square into alpha plus beta? Yes, why not? So alpha into beta we have minus 2. So it will be minus 2 square and alpha plus beta is nothing but minus 1. So it will be 4 into minus 1. The answer comes out to be minus 4. So the answer for this sum would be minus 4. So this is the way how we can use the zeros of the polynomial. So zeros of the polynomial tells you about how we can derive the different sorts of formulas from it just by using the sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros. And it is very simple to remember the formula. It is nothing but minus b upon a and c upon a. I think अभी तक तो इतने sums में आपको याद हो ही गया होगा. Let's have a look to the last question for the quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial, the question is alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. The polynomial given to you is 3x square minus 6x plus 4. Find alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha plus twice of 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta plus 3 alpha beta. ये पूरी इक्वेशन है, ये इक्वेशन का आंसर निकालने को आपको बोला है. अभी तक जो हम चीजें करते आ रहे थे वो टुकड़ों टुकड़ों में करते आए थे. We have just taken out this form, we have just taken out this form. सबसे पहले हमको पॉलिनोमियल दिया है 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 6x प्लस 4. हमारा पहला काम है ABC निकालना. A is nothing but coefficient of x square which is 3. B is nothing but coefficient of x which is minus 6. C is nothing but constant which is 4. So A B C निकल आया है तो क्या sum of zeros निकल के आ जाएंगे. Alpha plus beta is minus B upon A. So if I substitute minus of 6 upon 3. So it will be 6 upon 3, that is nothing but 2. So sum of zeros is 2. What is the product of 0? That is C upon A. C is 4 and upon 3. So 4 upon 3 is nothing but the product of the zeros. So you have sum of zeros and product of zeros. तो क्या मैं ये वाला जो पोर्शन है, ये वाले पोर्शन को सिंप्लीफाई करके ऐसा लिख सकती हूँ, अल्फा अपॉन बीटा प्लस बीटा अपॉन अल्फा का अगर मैंने एलसीएम लिया, सो आई विल गेट अल्फा बीटा and here alpha into alpha will get alpha square plus beta into beta will give you beta square. So we know the formula for alpha square plus beta square. What is the formula for alpha square plus beta square? Is nothing but alpha plus beta का whole square minus 2 alpha beta. क्या हमारे पास अल्फा प्लस बीटा है, अल्फा बीटा है, इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो हमको अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर मिल जाएगा एंड अल्फा बीटा वी ऑलरेडी हैव. सो अल्फा प्लस बीटा इज नथिंग बट 2 स्क्वायर minus 2 into 4 by 3. So answer comes out to be 4 minus 8 upon 3. If we take the LCM, it would be 12 minus 8. And 12 minus 8 will give you 4 upon 3. So answer for alpha square plus beta square comes out to be 4 upon 3. ये 4 upon 3 आ रहा है and alpha beta we know it is already 4 upon 3. Can we substitute here for this? ये वाले portion के लिए आंसर मिलेगा. ये इतने portion के लिए आंसर मिलेगा. So alpha square plus beta square is 4 upon 3 and what is alpha beta is also 4 upon 3. Can we cancel out both and can we write it as 1? So हमारा ये portion का आंसर कितना आ गया? That is 1. So this is nothing but 1. आंसर आ रहा है 1. Again, now we will solve this part individually. What we will do? 1 upon alpha. अभी अपन ने last sum में भी करा, उसका मैं direct LCM ले रही हूँ. We will get alpha beta and beta alpha plus beta. We have both alpha plus beta is 2 and alpha beta is 4 upon 3. So we can write it as 2 into 3 upon 4 which is 3 upon 2. So answer for the next part of it, ये इतने part के लिए answer आ रहा है कितना? 3 upon 2. And you know alpha beta. Now can we substitute everything in this equation which is given to us? Let's have a look. इसका answer है 1 plus 2 into this whole answer is 3 upon 2 plus 3 into and alpha beta we have 4 upon 3. Correct? So ये 2 से 2 गया, 3 से 3 गया. So what is remaining with us is 1 plus 3 plus 4. So it comes out to be 8. So answer for the given equation comes out to be 8. इसका answer आ रहा है 8. I hope how to make the use of zeros of the polynomial must be clear. तो हमने और सभी varieties के sums जितने भी zeros of polynomial by the quadratic equation थे सारे ही सारे हम लोगों ने cover कर लिए हैं. I hope all the sums must be clear to you and the way of the formulas how we have arranged with the help of the sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros must be clear. तो इस तरीके के sums बहुत बार पूछे गए हैं and they are like for 3 marks or 4 marks questions. So it is very important. Now we will be moving ahead with the cubic polynomials. What do we mean by cubic polynomials? As already suggested, cubic है तो डिग्री कितनी होगी? 3 होगी and डिग्री 3 होगी तो रूट्स भी 3 आएंगे, मतलब जीरोस भी 3 आएंगे. So let's have a look. अभी तक हम अल्फा बीटा के साथ खेल रहे थे, अब हमको 3 नंबर्स के साथ खेलना है. That is alpha, beta and gamma. So that is also very simple. That's also having a sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros. Let's see what the formulas are. Now let's have a look on the terminologies which is being associated with the cubic polynomials. So as I told you, the cubic polynomial is of degree 3. That's why it is known as cubic. 3 है. The highest degree is 3. So the standard polynomial क्या है? ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. अभी तक हम standard polynomial quadratic equation के लिए लिखते आ रहे थे ax square plus bx plus c. So this was the standard for quadratic. and this is the standard for cubic which have an highest degree of 3. Now as I told you, if you have 3 degrees, 4 degrees, 5 degrees, जितनी भी highest degree होती है polynomial की, उतने number of zeros उसके होते हैं, और या नहीं तो उतने roots उसके होते हैं. So we have 3. The highest degree is 3 since the equation is cubic. So we can tell that we have 3 zeros over here, or we can say that 3 roots of the polynomials. So अभी तक हम 2 zeros से खेल रहे थे. तीसरा zero will be alpha, beta and gamma. Now the gamma comes into the picture. And now again we have 2 formulas which we was having in the quadratic equations also. Now one additional we have. Let's have a look one by one. Sum of zeros are nothing but just we need to add all the zeros of the polynomial. All the zeros is alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is nothing but minus b upon a. अगर हमको याद हो alpha plus beta क्वाड्रेटिक में भी माइनस बी अपॉन ए ही होता था, कोई नया फॉर्मूला याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो माइनस बी अपॉन ए ही इसका आंसर है. जस्ट कोएफिशिएंट्स बदल जाते हैं. यहाँ पे कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स हुआ करता था, यहाँ पे एक्स स्क्वायर हो गया. यहाँ पे एक्स स्क्वायर हुआ करता था, यहाँ पे एक्स क्यूब हो गया. सॉरी, इट वाज एक्स ओवर हियर, एक्स स्क्वायर ओवर हियर, इट इज एक्स स्क्वायर एंड एक्स क्यूब. So just the coefficient changes, whereas the formula remain the same for the sum of the zeros. Now if I move to the product of the zeros, the product of the zeros is nothing but alpha, beta, gamma. We need to multiply all the zeros, and the answer is minus, the formula is minus d upon a. Here the formula changes. For alpha, beta we used to have alpha, beta हमारा हुआ करता था nothing but c upon a, which was, again if you see the terminology behind it, it will remain the same. C upon a was a constant term. Here d is nothing but a constant term. A used to be the coefficient of x square, which was the highest power. Again a is a coefficient of an highest power. So the terms remains the same over here, whereas this constant changes. So it is minus d upon a. Here we was not having minus, but it is minus d upon a. So I hope the sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros must be clear. That is constant upon the coefficient of x cube. Now if I move to the third formula which we have for the zeros of the polynomial is sum of the product of zeros taken 2 at a time. मतलब product लेना है दो zeros का and we need to add them. What are the permutations over here is alpha beta plus beta alpha हो सकता है या alpha gamma हो सकता है. So alpha beta, beta gamma, alpha gamma. Fine. So this is nothing but c upon a. अगर मैं ये formula बोलूँ c upon a, which is nothing but alpha beta. So please don't get confused between the quadratic polynomials and the cubic polynomials. They are totally different. As you can say, the sum of the zeros का जो formula है वो दोनों को match करता है. So no need of learning the new formula. Just no need to get confused between these formulas. C upon a, c is nothing but the coefficient of x and a is nothing but the coefficient of x cube. अगर आप तीनों फॉर्मूले अगर यदि बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान से देखेंगे, so you can say that the denominator for all the three formulas remain the same. That is a, which is nothing but the coefficient of x cube. ऐसा ही इसमें भी होता था. As you can see here, all the formulas have the coefficient of x cube. So here the terminologies for the cubic polynomials are there. Now we need to solve the sum for the cubic polynomial. We will end the video over here, and the sums for the cubic polynomial we will be seeing in the next part of the polynomials. So I hope you must have enjoyed the content and must have learned all the things which has been given for the quadratic polynomials and the terminologies for the cubic polynomials. So by using these terminologies, we will be moving ahead in the next video to solve the sums related to the cubic polynomials. So I hope you must have loved it. If you have liked it, please like, share and subscribe with your friends. Thank you. Bye-bye and have a good day.